Marami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin kung ano mga magagandang klaseng projector and hindi ganong kamahalan ang pwede i-invest sa bahay. I have one here from Wanbo and papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit ito ang pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo. Pag-usapan natin. Now I have here is the all-new na Wanbo Cube 2 Pro. Sobrang liit. And para sa notebook lang, no, pwede mo ilagay sa mga shelves and hindi mo akalain na it's a projector. One good thing dito sa kanya is it comes in 3 colors. Beige green na meron natin, meron siyang black, and meron pa siyang color white. Meron siyang 230 degrees ng gimbal. Meron din siyang seamless na calibration, automatic, or pwede mo rin siyang gawing manual. And this one is being powered by Android TV. Now, the moment na binuksan ko itong projector ito, sabi ko, uy, sobrang ng compact. And in fact, magaan naman siya, no? One good thing dito sa kanya is that pwede mo siyang ipatong just any na upuan para pang leverage. Pwede mo rin kabitan ng tripod kung gusto mo para medyo mas angat. Or just simply put it to your table. Depende sa iyo. One good thing about this one is that you can put it as a decorative design at home. Just put it like that and pack away. Looks pretty nice and neat, right? It has several ports dito. May audio port siya, may USB port siya, HDMI port, and meron pa siyang power button dito. Ito ang kanyang power input. Ito is kanyang exhaust, and andito ang kanyang speaker. Now, if you want to listen to just the podcast, you can just simply turn this one down and act as a speaker.
So it'll zoom in and out smoothly. Now, you know what's really interesting now that I've been shooting with this camera?
Now, one good thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is mabilis ay swivel. Nakakatuwa lang siya, no, na ganito kanyang design. Hindi mo akalain, no, once na nakaligpit, akala mo it's just another one of your mga lalagyan or libro or what. Pero pag the moment na binuksan mo is a projector pala, no, cute. Meron siyang TOF na unobstructed na calibration, meaning whenever you switch it down, hindi na siya mamumuti siya, no, automatic siya mag-recalibrate. On any surface, kahit sa mga kanto, mga kisame, ang bilis niya mag-calibrate on its own. Hindi mo na siya kailangan kalikutin or there are times sa pag meron mga medyo uneven surface, pwede mo i-manual calibrate ng konti para medyo mas pasok doon sa sharpness na gusto mo. Now, one good feature dito sa kanya is pwede siyang magpatugtog pag naka-off ang kanyang screen. Tapos kanya screen off playback. Pwede mo siya gamitin as a speaker. Kunwari, gusto mo lang makinig sa mga podcast, pwede itong projector na ito, which is kinda nifty for something like this one. And it has 230 degrees na free adjustment, no? Ito ang hangganan, no? I cannot go further than this one, pero pwede akong mag-go yan ganito. No? So, one good thing sa kanya, pag gusto mo mag-power off, ginagawa ko, sinasara ko na lang siya ng ganun para mag-power off. Pwede mo rin pindot ng one press dito, then another press para mag-shutdown ng totally itong Wanbo Cube 2 Pro. Now, this projector is being supported by Android TV 11. Meron sa mga pre-installed na mga apps dito like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, pati Prime Video meron. Makita mo dito sa kanyang remote, dito sa ilalim yung apat na button is exactly the 4 na minention natin. And ang ganda dito sa kanya pagdating sa Netflix on other projector at this price point, normally makikita mo it's a level 3 na Wi-Fi security, pero not on this one. Meron niya level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, so you can watch HD straight out from this one. And this one supports Google Voice Assistant, so you can voice command anytime you want. And this one can display up to 1080p and meron siyang 500 ANSI na max brightness. So, pwede mong gawin is manood ka na may ilaw na nabukas. Makita mo pa rin siya pero hindi na sobrang linaw. Pero the moment na pinatay mo yung ilaw, makikita mo yung difference nilang dalawa. Honestly, ako guys, sinagad-sagad ko siya, no? Inatras ko to the point na kaya na mag-display up to 100 inches. No, kunwari meron kang 100 inches na TV on your screen, kayang-kaya nito, no? This is perfect for bonding together with the family night out. Talagang okay na okay siya, no? If you have mga movies na hindi kayo makapunta ng movie house, kung meron kang ma-purchase sa mga online streaming apps like Netflix, you can buy it and just watch it at home. Perfect na perfect to. Pero guys, I would prefer na siguro mag-invest kayo sa good sound system, mga Bluetooth speaker, para ma-offset yung speaker nito. Hindi ganong kalakasan ng speaker nito. And I was using yung favorite headphones ko na Bluetooth to offset, no? Tong sounds niya na hindi ganun kalakasan. Pero if you have mga Bluetooth speaker na malakas, pwede mo i-pair dito to give you a more immersive na experience when you're watching a favorite movie. And medyo na-intriga ako, no? Kasi sabi na meron sa TOF na auto calibration. So, what I did is to put it to yung mga medyo uneven surface. Harap ng pagharap ko dun, no? Siguro it takes around mga 10 seconds, no? Mag-a-adjust siya into what fits best dun sa wall na meron mo, na pinaprojectan mo, which I really appreciate dito sa kanya. Kasi on other projector, magmamanual ka talaga. Plus minus mo, plus minus to be able to adjust yung sharpness niya. Pero ito, no, halos hindi ako makapag-manual no? Dahil matalino siya and sarili siya nagka-calibrate. So it makes my life a lot easier. So natuwa naman ako dito sa kanya. I was able to watch several videos together with my kids. I was able to watch basketball game din on my own. So what I did is medyo tinatamad ako. So, nakahiga ako at pinroject ko all the way sa kisame. And it's really good, no? Though medyo uneven ang kisame ko, pero it gets the job done. I mean, what's nice kanya is that kahit tinatamad ka, nakahiga ka, kitang-kita mo, no? Parang naka-AR glasses ka na nakahiga. Ganun ang feeling. Yun ang one thing na ma-appreciate mo dito sa kanya is that it's hands-free, no? Imbis na you're holding your mobile phone, which is most of the time masakit sa mata pag matagal ka nanood. But not on this one, no? What's nice dito sa kanya is that malayo sa yung mata, which is, di ba, nasa kisame yun, and hindi siya sobrang bright na sobrang nakakasakit sa yung mata, which is good. And there are times na nagtatry ako different experiment together with itong projector na ito. What I did is to project some beach, na scenery sa wall ko, just to yung calm na, yung ganda ng alon ng beach, naririnig mo yung sound. I mean, parang pamparelax siya, no? You can also project yung mga sunset kung gusto mo. It's really cool. And sometimes late at night, ginagawa ko, pinoproject ko sa kisame yung constellations, stars, and mga whatnots. Nakaka-relax siya, no? Just parang nagsistare ka lang talaga sa stars, no? Which is super cool sa kanya. And malinaw, no, yung mga pinoproject na hindi just any stars na parang medyo blurred na hindi mo masyado makita yung up in the sky. Ito talagang maganda. Makikita mo sharp ng mga photos, objects na makita mo dito sa mga videos, which is definitely something na hinahanap-hanap ko on a good projector like this. Ang ganda dito sa kanya is that nung pinoproject ko siya ng roughly mga nasa 40 inches, malinaw. Kahit i-stretch ko siya up to 100 inches, malinaw pa rin siya. Which is something na nagustuhan ko rin dito sa kanya. Maganda ang pinapanood mo dito sa kanya. So, I did try to watch together with my daughter, K-pop Demon Hunter. Talagang okay na okay siya. I mean, wala akong problema sa kanya. Ganda ng display. And natuwa ng mga kids, no, they were able to watch a big screen. Kala nila nasa movie house sila, no? Which is a really good experience para sa kanila. And it's also perfect for family bonding, lalo mo sa Chinese New Year na rin. So buying something like this for the whole family is definitely a good investment. Na kung meron kang laptop or meron kang desktop, pwede ka dito sa kanya HDMI port para i-project yung mga tinatrabaho mo or pinapanood mo on your wall. And this is going to be your monitor. Kung gusto mo mag-number crunching sa Excel, project mo lang ng malaki, no? I mean, tapos mag-type ka, I mean, you feel parang, woo, diba? Laki this ko yun. Matutuwa ka nun. It's a different experience. Overall, guys, it's a good recommendation. Itong Wanbo na Cube 2 Pro for the whole family. Gusto mag-enjoy. And kahit sa buong barkada, no, you want to watch movie night together na without overspending sa movie house, just buy the video and just play it here. It's going to give you a really good experience. Provided na bumili ka ng magandang soundbar or Bluetooth speaker, it will definitely enhance your experience mo dito sa Wanbo Cube 2 Pro. Now guys, if you're interested to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll post the link on the description box below. And kung may kilala kayong mga friends na naghahanap ng magandang projector, you feel free to recommend this video to them. And of course guys, ina-encourage ko to subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out yung mga reviews just like this one. So paano na guys, hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.